Now, America's largest known outbreak of a foodborne parasite is spreading to more states. CBS News has confirmed Cyclospora cases linked to lettuce in Missouri and Arkansas. The Washington Post says Iowa, Nebraska, New Hampshire, and North Carolina are now involved as well. Dr. Celine Gounder is here. She is also editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News. Dr. Celine, thank you. Good morning. We're still talking about this. The cases are still rising. What do we need to do to get this under control?
Well, one of the problems is we don't actually know what went wrong on the farm where this iceberg lettuce was being grown. And so until you know that, you can't actually fix it. The other issue is the cases still are on the rise. People may have been exposed weeks ago. They're still developing symptoms. The recalled lettuce had use-by dates of August 3rd, so just earlier this week. So it's to be expected you're going to have weeks more of cases. And then the third part is the tools. So there is a new FDA food tracing rule that was supposed to go into effect that would have allowed you to trace foods within a day instead of weeks. That food tracing rule was delayed until 2028. And then FoodNet, which is the interagency program that does foodborne disease surveillance, that dropped Cyclospora as one of the infections to be monitored about a year ago.
So I think the question that everyone has in their mind, though, is lettuce safe to eat? Can we eat it?
You know, iceberg lettuce is only one of the many kinds of lettuce. There are so many other leafy greens, romaine lettuce, arugula, et cetera. There's so many other options.
Okay.
You can still eat salads.
Okay. Well, you know, in Minnesota now, there's this salmonella outbreak of more than 100 cases that are being linked to jalapenos. And they apparently were being served at the restaurant chain Chipotle. I love a Chipotle. How much of a concern should that be now for people like me and like a lot of us who go and want to eat there?
Well, the good news is Chipotle traced those peppers to one specific lot. They pulled that lot. They switched growers. So Minnesota says they have no ongoing concerns with that chain. But jalapenos are the leading suspect. We haven't proven that. There's no positive sample that has turned up, and the FDA is still tracing other ingredients. We're seeing people at other Mexican restaurants who've also gotten sick, so there's still more to be investigated.
Yeah, there definitely is. Dr. Celine, thank you so much for being here today.